But yeah, XT is out of order because somebody took it apart and did not put it back together. What's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in. As I said, there's going to be more videos, daily videos on here, hopefully daily. But they're not all going to be motorcycle related or on motorcycle kinds of stuff. So today I've got to clean this mess of a garage. I've got a dead battery on this bike. I've got no engine in the XT because it's on my workbench and my workbench is a disaster. Oh my goodness, I gotta clean all of this crap up so I can get working on that. But first things first, I gotta get this bike out, I gotta get that frame out so I can organize all of the garbage that's down here. There's an engine back there. I gotta clean these cabinets out. Lots of stuff to be doing today and not much time. Just got off of work, so let's get cracking. I don't think I'm doing anything for the rest of the day except for cleaning this garage because it's a mess. I am going to make a video on how to remove, or well, how I remove the motor out of the XT, but it's such a long video, and then there's so much editing that I have to do with it that I just got to take it bit by bit. But essentially, I show you how to get your XT into this kind of situation where all you have left is the frame, essentially. Man. There's kind of just like so much crap in here, I don't know where to start. So I guess I'm going to try to just tackle that monstrosity. Sorry that wasn't like super riveting to watch, but at least now I can show you what I'm working with on the bench, and I can get to work later on. It's not going to be today because I still got the rest of the garage to clean, but I can show you what I got going on here, and that's kind of what's important about this video. So here we are looking at my bottom end, and I'll hopefully get you guys to hear what's going on. Here's my connecting rod that goes down to my crank, and there's just a crazy amount of play where the connecting rod meets the crank, and it's just like that has to be what was knocking, because that's mega out of spec. So I've either got to get my crank rebuilt or just buy a new crankshaft assembly, which I probably might end up doing, just because, I mean, it's not in bad shape or anything like that, but if I'm down there, I might as well get some performance parts in there, because that's not a good noise. And that's not the piston moving or anything. Here, let me move the piston right there. You hear that? It's just, there's a ton of slop in every direction. The cylinder looks good and everything like that, and the valves look good on the opposite side of there. I don't want to flip it because I might get my hands dirty, but there's the motor, there's some of the spare engine parts, not spare engine parts, but some of the engine parts. Another thing that I got to take a look at is on this side of the bike, there's a ton of oil that was coming out of there, so I need to dig into there and figure out what's going on, maybe replace the seal that goes along the side, because that is way too much oil just spilling out of there. So not a super exciting video today, guys, but you know, it is day 2. Just had to handle some stuff that I've had on the back burner for a while. Like, now that you guys know the situation, you guys are more apt to actually tell me, hey, get cracking on that motor. But I do need to buy a new crank, and I do need to crack that sucker open. So I am going to be doing that. But another thing that I'm going to be doing a lot of is editing. So this is kind of where I sit and do a lot of work, and I'm going to be sitting here for a while editing that engine removal and engine teardown set of videos. But I think I do have one moto vlog that's kind of still in the works that I need to dig through my hard drives and find. I recorded it sometime in October. I think it's on short riders and trying out as many bikes as possible. But if I can find that and I can edit it together, I'll toss that up sometime within the next day or so. But this one should go up tonight. All I've got to do now is I need to go jogging for one, and then I have to edit this video for two. So I'm not going to show you guys my jog because it's boring and it's dark outside. But it is currently 5:50 right now, and hopefully I can get on the routine of things. Really, it's just about getting the routine down of, you know, recording during the day as soon as I get off work, and then you know, finding something to make content on, and then editing and posting it. So it's going to be a challenge, but that's what 2019 is about. I want a awesome challenge. I want to grow this channel, and I want to make sure that there's extra content, even if no one's watching. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. Until next time, peace out.